Hello, everyone. Today we will talk about some concept in the React.js that is, mostly asked in every interview, almost every interview, and that is related to what is the difference between virtual DOM and shallow DOM. Okay, so I will show you the graphical example that how it is exactly working and what is the purpose and how it is better to optimize the performance, how it is optimizing the performance. So if you see here, if we first talk about the virtual DOM, so I'll write here virtual DOM and I'll save it. Okay, and there is a the concept of the virtual DOM is, if you can see here, this is the original DOM. What is DOM? DOM is basically document object model, stands for document object model. Every HTML page is a DOM. Okay, so you can see that in that document there are full tree of doc type, and it is a tree, subtree, and the body, and in the body there are different h1 2. So this is the whole DOM tree. Basically it creates the copy. When in React.js it creates the copy of this document, this DOM tree document. Okay, so what is that document? I'm making this document uh, as a circle over here as an original document. Okay, and in there, you see that there are h1 tag, button, links, and stuff like this here. Okay, and what React exactly do this, what virtual DOM create a copy of the original DOM is called a virtual DOM. Okay, and what is the purpose of this copy? Whenever you, for example, you change the links to 6. Okay, now it compares these values with the original DOM. This process is called, when the comparison from here to here, sorry, this is 6. Here it is 6, it is 7. Now it compares, so some things definitely change in here. So he will check that what exactly need to be changed here. So you can see that it is 6 links, it is 7 links. So he knows that I have to go inside the anchor tag, and I have to remove one anchor tag from the document object model. Okay, so this is the original document object model. This comparison process is called reconciliation. Process is called reconciliation. Maybe the spelling is wrong. Sorry about that. So this process is called reconciliation process, when it compares that what exactly the change happened between these two DOMs. Okay, so it will then, what it do is it only go to the links and change the links from 7 to 6. For example, anchor tag 1, anchor tag 2, anchor tag 3, and anchor tag 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now we will remove the tags that we identify in the original the copy of the original DOM. We will just make it similar to this one. What is the benefit? Instead of making whole changes into the refresh the whole architecture of DOM tree, we only changes the particular stuff that we need to update. So it will increase the optimization of the application. So this process is called virtual DOM. This is the concept of virtual DOM. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Let me make a little bit summary that, for example, this is a original DOM and it has 7 anchor tags. Okay, and this is a copy of DOM, and you make some changes in the function component and you make it 6. Okay, and what happens when this comparison, the React.js compare the copy of the original DOM with the original DOM, then the compiler find out that there it is the 6 links available and here it is 7. So the compiler know that what needs to be updated. Instead of updating the buttons, updating the full document, updating the other minor stuff, span, divs, and all stuff at once, only the links part of the page of the document object model will be changed and updated to 6. So There is no extra, manipulations required. So only the specific part, the links updated to 6 and 6. So what happens, only the main page remains the same and performance optimized. So this is called the process. So the comparison process is called the reconciliation process. Okay, so this is the original concept of the virtual dom. Shallow dom, in simple words, if I say, give you the, flexibility to make the custom elements. Okay, so what are the custom elements, how you identify as a visually that what are the custom elements are. Okay, I'll show you that. If you see that this is the HTML5 video. Okay, but in this one there are some shallow DOM available, but you cannot point out them directly. If you can see that, you can see only tag data, but definitely these are rendering, play button, volume button, full screen, and download, playback, and picture and stuff. But you cannot point out with this one. Okay, so this is done by the shallow dome. Okay, so how we can see, how we can point out these. If I'll go here, settings, and I have to check, one moment, let me hide this out, and I didn't point it out, this one for example. Okay, I have done already. So if I go here and I have to enable something from here to check, show user agent shallow dom. Okay, so when I will check this one, you will see the changes here. Now what is the change inside the video tag? You can see the shallow root. Okay, inside that you can see the custom tags. And now if you will try to inspect these, you can understand that where are these defined. Okay, so these are the custom, you know elements created under the shallow dom. So when you will remove this one, for example, when you uncheck this one and you come back, and you will never see anything else like this. See, you can see only the video tag. But when we will enable it again, if you go here and show user in shallow DOM, and we'll come back again, we will see that here are the shallow DOM, these are the custom element. Anything implemented in this one will never affect the outer side of the, uh, you know for example, if there are color, white color, or any CSS implemented inside the shallow DOM will not affect any of your root elements or parent elements. For example, this is an element and it has some CSS. Definitely this is some CSS implemented, so it will not affect any kind of before and after, or in the parallel element will never be affected with this CSS. Okay, so it will be only customized under the shallow DOM. So you can, how these are customizations are done. Now you can point out each and everything without any issue. Okay, so you can point that what is displaying under and how this is opening. So you can point out these also. See, these are the list and these are displaying without any issue. So this is how these are the explanations while you have to give any interview to any company. So you can, give these answers with the examples and the proper way. Okay, so yeah, so this is it. And if you yeah, there is one more thing that is extra, I have added to this concept. There is a very interesting thing that I found, that, you know for example, I play this video and I have to stop this when I changes the tab. See, the video stopped. Video stopped. When I come back again, video started. When I go back and I come back, video started. You can see the seconds. When I change, the seconds are, you can see the seconds, second 18, 19, 20, maybe 21. Okay, I'll come back, okay, 20 or 21. See, so it is started from there. For more confirmation that we can check that I have created the sample code, so we can check that how is it working or not. So this is very simple function. The event is called visibility change event, and I have created a function called handle visibility change. So instead that I have a video tag, I have video selector, and I check if the document is hidden, video.pause. If the document is visible, video.play. Simple as that. So this is how I done this. And there are extra option in the add event listeners. So I have set up add event listener document.add visibility change. So visibility change is event for the video. Okay, so whenever you will, you know, play this video, when you change the screen, it will automatically paused. When you back to the screen, it will be automatically play. So let's check it out little deeper. Console.log, and we will write that out. Video paused, video paused. Okay, and if we go here, video played, play video played, sorry, video played. All right, so let's check it out in our screen. I'll refresh the page, the code is updated, and I'll be here. Now the video is paused, there is no event fire. When the visibility is changed, for example, I go here and come back here. Once the video is played and then video is paused, the same function is called here. Video paused, video played. For example, I change it one more time. You can see if I will change Alt tab. I'll change the Alt tab. I'll back. You can see that the changes here. See what is the difference of what is the benefit of the visibility change event. So you can do not only for the video, because I just display for the video. You can do it for any other thing. Okay, so I will share this code over the gist at the end of this video, so you can use this. This is very beneficial, and you can understand the concept of shallow dome, and you can point it out and you can practice that with this example I will share inside the video, under the video description. And you can see that if there is any question, please let me know under the comments section, and I will check it out and I will respond as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.